Want it? She's not going to come onto my finger, obviously. If she can get it any other way, she will. She's not really hungry right now. I took the food and put it down because she's just never, she never does go for the spray millet with me holding it. I gotta get some more. This is almost totally gone now, our bag. It's Tropical Carnival Spray Millet, in case you want to know. And this stuff, because it's dried, actually lasts a long time. Our spray millet has lasted, gosh, quite a while. But I'm running out now, so you can get some water. Any more? Are you done? Okay. You're done too. Whoops. You're done too. You know why? I know when you want to get something and you can't get it, you do this. This is what you do. Yep. That's the behavior. When I want something, I want it. And that's it. Tweety really enjoys it by the window sometimes. She loves to watch and listen for the birds outside, which is mostly what she's always doing. I was thinking about getting her a little budgie, and if I can do that. Okay, so here we go. This is what we get. Simply irresistible. Sometimes for her she doesn't go for it all the time. It depends, because she's got millet in her food. They don't respond too well to training if they're already getting it in all of their food every day, regularly. And this is her food that we got. There's all kinds of seeds in there, oatmeal even, little oatmeal seeds. But there's a lot of white millet in this food, and she, see, there it is on the bottom. And so that's one thing you got to watch out for with these dishes, that a lot of the broken up, or the husks from the seeds just stay on the top, and you think, oh, they still have food, but they don't. So I always watch for that. She has a lot of it in the bottom of her cage. Oh, scared her. In the bottom of her cage. I don't put paper in the bottom anymore because he loves to chew it up. And that's really not healthy when they chew up all the paper towel or newspaper or anything. So anyhow, this is her food, and I replenish it when before she runs out, a little bit before. I try to keep an eye on the food level, and if I just see seed husks, I don't bother. If there's a few in there, I just dump it and give her some more, because then I know she's eating properly every day. And the seed pellets are not colored. I don't like colored seed pellets. And I just keep things down there. But I keep some of her seed in this bag. It's easier to put it into her dish. You want some? You want some pets? Yeah. Good girl. Wow, she's really being a good girl. Aw. Slow movements and predictability is what will get them to be won over. She used to be very Not liking my finger at all. And I always leave it on a positive note, so we should just leave it right there. And I was going to try to show you what she'll do if it's straight on to her beak. Maybe I should. Just to show you. See, she won't like it. Oh, she's letting me. Yeah, good girl. Usually she doesn't like it too much, but... That's a good girl. So she gets her spray millet. And that's the connection that they need to make. If they're not making that connection, then it's really hard to work with them. And then, see, like I said, irresistible. Takes her a minute. You gonna have some? Good girl. Good girl. And that's how you win them over. A little at a time. This has taken me a long time to learn, actually. I didn't think that I could work with budgies. They're extremely independent, but she's getting there. She's flighted. She's been flighted since I got her. And she was 6 months old when I got her. She's about 1.5 years now. And we've made progress. I just haven't put it onto the... I just haven't put it onto the, in video at all, onto the channel. So, alright guys. That's it for now. Whoop. That's it for now. Say bye, Tweety. Okay. Say bye. Say bye. Okay. Say bye. Bye. There you go. Bye-bye.